Hear me out, people. Hear me out. Stop talking about Manchester United, yeah? Stop talking about Bumbuckle at Manchester United. Yeah? Yeah. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. It's been a messed up week, innit? It's been a messed up week already. Manchester United started out with a slappy performance. But listen, if you're brand new, drop a like video, subscribe. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. If you're here before, see my face before, drop a like on the video and share it as well. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Hear me out. We know Manchester United has been shit this season. We know Manchester United has been shit for the past 10 years. That is a given, right? That you have to ask a question about it. We know that for a fact there's been shit. And we know that enemies of Manchester United, pundits alike and fans keep talking shit about Manchester United ever since Sir Alex Ferguson left. And you know, you make your you make your punchline at the papers so Manchester United fans can react, so enemies can react, and circle goes on and on and on. But this quote that I saw on Twitter kind of ticked me off differently, and it's because of what I saw in the last game against Brentford. Jamie Radnip, whatever freaking man name, Jamie Redknapp, up on Twitter talk about Manchester United make Brentford look like Real Madrid. Now I'm like, did you see the same game that I saw Jamie Redknapp? Did you see the same game that I saw? Because what I saw was Manchester United hold on to majority of the possession of the ball. What Brentford did to a very good cause, what they did was they caught every second ball in that game. And why they have a lot of second balls? Because they keep butting the ball in the air, put up in the air. Every time they get a foul in midway, fill them half or halfway, half line, beat up in the air. Tony, one of them gets another down, and boom, them get a shot. They didn't play the ball on the floor maybe 5 times the whole game, fam. What the fuck were you watching, bro? Talk about Real Madrid. Fam, Manchester United did not play well. I know that. We know that. They can't break down a low block, especially a low block with 3 defenders, 2 wing back who didn't go forward at all, and 2 strikers up front, and 3 men at the midfield. There's no way Manchester United could break that team down, and we need to develop a different way of playing next season when them get some better players in the team. But fam, cut your fuckery. But Brentford made Manchester United made Brentford look like Real Madrid. Cut that fucker, fam. All them pundits in this world, from Gary Neville to Jamie Redknapp to Carragher, all them fuckery up in the internet, in the world where I watch football, where previous baller, uncle of a baller, auntie out of one bumbuck at me. They might tick me off completely, fam. They might tick me off completely, but I am a Manchester United fan. I've watched Manchester United since I was like 4. Okay? Hear me out, people. Manchester United fans, I'm home and abroad. Listen, me man, we will be back sooner than later. Just stick to this manager. Slightly stick to this manager because it don't like it not much sense lately, but stick to this manager. We have to stick to this manager. We have to stick to the team. I know we say we might get rid of Eric Ten, I give it time, but we have to stick to him. We have to build a team around him. Yeah? We need to build a team around him. Get rid of some of these players that's not doing anything for the team for the past 10 years and focus on players who want to win. All you fans out there, you haters, haterators, you hear me I say, go on your thing because you're born for hate. Because we know that Manchester United make your childhood a living hell. Alex Ferguson made your childhood a living hell. 2000s, 1990s, 2000s. Yeah. So because of that, yeah, live your life now, though. But don't worry, we're back. And when we come back, that's when you're gonna hear that is when you will hear these fur curse, fam. But people, bless up yourself, bless up others. It looks like we're gonna finish either fifth, probably sixth this season. Probably even worse, depending on how we play in the next couple of games. But at the end of the day, Manchester United will be back. Bless up yourself, bless up others, Manaz.